Hey, what's up guys? Ito na naman po ang Makaji tutorial. So, our today's video is all about the use of pen tool. So, you might be wondering why did we choose pen tool as our next video tutorial? So, ano nga ba ang dahilan or ano nga ba ang significance ng pen tool in terms of Photoshop? Yun po ang ating ipapakita ngayong araw na ito. So, but before that, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and ring the notification bell. Thank you guys, and let's start. So open the Photoshop application, then Control O to open subject. So ano nga ba ang subject natin? So eto na lang tayo. Ito, tingnan natin si Jennie of Blackpink. If you notice, white yung background niya and then white pa yung shirt niya. So if you use this, say here yung quick selection tool, kaya niya. So if you notice, yung quick selection tool kasi i-detect niya kung ano yung mga magkaka-familiar na, let's say, colors. Pero we also have yung minus na ano, tignan nyo dito. So if you, so ganyan. But today's video is all about pen tool. So control D to deselect the layer that is selected. So first we are going to click P or pen tool. Click here. And then we are going to make. No need to duplicate the layer because it's already, later on we'll show you on how to make a copy out of it. Then let's do it. So, dito tayo magsimula. So, medyo mahirap to guys kasi magkakaano lang yung mga layers niya. Parang magkakapareho. So, if you're a beginner guys, ganito yan. Diba na-click nyo na ito and then click drag nyo lang guys. Click drag para ma-follow mo yung path or yung gusto mong i-cut out na image. And then I recommend guys, kung gusto nyo gamitin to, yung click alt and then click here yung midpoint nya. So mas maganda kasi kapag click mo yan guys. So since wala tayo dito, so ganyan, click na naman dito. So ano kayang mangyayari pag di mo click? So let's say control C natin, diba nang ganyan na siya, dito yung midpoint nya, then click mo dito, o diba pangit. Mas maganda pag so ganyan lang guys yung ano niya. And then yun naman, so siya ito na lang. So kayo na bahala guys, basta pag nalaman nyo na yung technique, try and try lang. So ganyan lang. Click nyo lang yung alt para ma-zoom in, zoom out. Alt is scroll. So if you notice, ito part pa rin ng ganyang damit. So kukunin natin yan. ito. So, kayo na bahala guys kung paano yung discarding nyo. Basta pag beginner kayo, I recommend using alt click and left click drag natin. Then pag shapes naman, so flat surface siya, click lang basta mabalanse nyo lang siya guys. Pero pag ito naman okay lang naman yun. So natin siya. So yan, ganyan lang guys. And then click here, since flat surface naman, click here, then drag na naman. So makakapin na yan. And then here, so ito na lang yung cover natin. Ganyan. Ganyan guys. Ganyan. Ganyan guys. Ganyan. So since ganyan naman. Ganyan guys. So tuloy-tuloy lang guys. Basta tignan mo lang yung kung parte pa rin siya ng isang cutout. So ganyan. Kayong bahala kung gusto nyo kunin yung shadow niya pero para sa akin not necessary. Kasi okay naman na bigyan nyo ng shadow yan pag ka-edit nyo. So in here, bilas lang to guys, basta tiwala lang. So hindi pala yan. Ctrl Alt Z, dito pala. Okay, wrong. Ctrl Alt C, Alt C, dito pala. Ito dyan. In here. Yan pa yung image dyan. Hindi mo lang kasi makita kasi white yung background niya. Diba? Ito na guys yung so bale itong model natin ay si Jennie of Blackpink. So fan kasi siya ng aking mga kapatid mga babae ng kapatid. So malapit na guys. Dapat pag gumagamit ka ng Pentool guys, dapat patience ka. Basta sabi ko sa inyo, pag may isang path tayo na hindi natin naituloy, okay yung path, ito yung path selection tool natin, kaya nung ginawa ko kanina. So maybe we are so ito na siya, magalak na. So if you notice, meron na siyang cutout yan, pero let's give ano ito. So since meron pa dito, hindi natin na to pwede natin ikat yan. So drag mo lang, click, alt click, and then drag mo lang dito, alt click, and then click. So ano na yan. So dito naman we have, I think part na yan. So since okay na, so I'll show you now that. Okay, make right click and then make sure you click this, make selection, and then okay lang yung 0 niya. So nag-select na siya, and then we're going to click the select toolbar and then refine edge. So how are we going to refine these edges now? So since okay naman lahat, ano na natin. So if you are dealing with hairs or whatsoever you want to since solid naman yung background niya, I recommend using this smooth and contrast tool, and then you're going to let's say 20 yan, 20, then to 30, huwag nyo na lang gawalawin yung bida, yung smooth and contrast lang, and then palitin na. Bakit lumalaki yan? And then wait lang, pag ginanyan mo kasi mag-iba na yan. So ganyan na. So tingnan natin kung epektibo ba. So pag may mga hindi nakita, so yan na siya. So since dito na lang, i-small pa natin yung using yung bracket natin. Kung gusto natin yan, yung shadow niya, diba tanong nyo kanina, or maybe might be so you can still copy it. So okay na yan, and then we are going to here. So make sure na hindi lang siya selection, kundi new layer with layer mask, and then click OK, and then if you notice, so nag-refine edge na siya, so na-cut out na siya. So if you see, it is really napakalinis, diba? Pagka-cut niya. So watch out guys, if you like this video, just thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and may God bless us all.